Welcome to your Communing with Baby meditation. Feel a sense of ease and peace. Feel that you are surrendering. You are letting go. So release any tension in your body. Allow your body to let go. Allow the surface area of your body to expand. Relax each and every muscle. Focus on each and every outward breath. Release, relax, unwind, breathe deep. Keep your tongue resting on your upper palate, on the roof of the mouth, behind the two front teeth, sealing the circuit of energy orbiting around your body. And become aware of your energy field. Encapsulate your energy field in a cobalt blue cloak, which comes from Archangel Michael, and that can help to dissolve and disconnect anything that brings your thoughts away from the here and the now moment. It's helping to protect you. And now feel your connection to Mother Earth so that you are grounded and can go deep, deep, deep into the higher aspects of you and can commune clearly with your baby's spirit. Feel the energetic umbilical cord that you have with Mother Earth. Visualize it now spiraling from your navel area down and down into the core of Mother Earth herself. From your core to her core, you are connected. You are grounded. You are now present. No future thoughts, no past thoughts. Just the rhythmic, gentle breaths. Allowing your physical self to surrender, to soften. Feel the lightness of your light body, the energetic aspect of you lifting up and up and up, out through your crown, higher and higher, higher and higher. And as you lift yourself up into the ether, surround yourself with 5 rose guardians to absorb any negativity. Take a rose from your heart and place it above you to protect you from above. 1 in front of you, behind you, then to your left, and finally to your right. With your rose guardians, continue to lift higher and higher into the ether. Higher and higher, higher and higher, until you cannot see any speckles of stars around you. You are now in deep space, deep, deep space. And in this state, call forward your baby's spirit. Feel the communion through your third eye and your heart. Open your heart, let her see how much love you have for her. Ask your angels and guides and ancestors to help her to feel secure, and welcome her angels and her guides and her ancestors so that she does definitely feel secure, meeting you in the ether now. Let her know how much you love her and how much you're looking forward to her coming. Share with her the joy that you know you will share together. Tell her why It's so important for you. And remember, when you do that, don't put pressure on her. She's not responsible for your happiness, and she's not responsible for completing you. She wants to come down to be free, to be herself, and to not feel that it's her duty to make you happy or proud or complete. Use this time to commune from your heart. Remember, energy moves quickly. And now, thank her for coming. Thank her for listening. Let her know you are ready now. You are ready for her to come. And you are going to head back to your home, back on Mother Earth, in this third dimensional state. Allow yourself to come back to the here and the now moment, becoming aware of your breath and your body, and expand your consciousness by listening to all the faraway noises. And Hari Om Tat Sat. Let it be so. You can play this meditation as many times as you like and allow different conversations to unfold. Enjoy.